This is just a overview of the Woocommerce management system. I'm just going to go through the process of making a purchase and then looking at some of the different options in the Woocommerce management side of things. Just an overview of how you would use the system. So first thing I'm going to do is make a purchase as a customer. So I'll click on the stationery link and I'm going to buy a birthday card. And let's buy the Aries birthday card. Add to basket. And then I'll go to the checkout. I'll choose second class mail and then proceed to checkout. And this is all set up at the moment, excuse me, as a in test mode. So any purchase you make at this point won't go through. And this is where the customer can select PayPal or credit or debit card. I'm going to use the Stripe credit or debit card because that allows us to take things a little bit further. PayPal stops you at the payment point. So to use Stripe, just copy that card number there. You can put in any kind of expiry date you wish, obviously in the future, and then any card code, accept the terms and conditions and place the order. And now we see the order received page. And hopefully by this time I will have received an email. And I've got 3 emails here. This first one here is the email I would receive as a customer. So it says, thank you for your order. Your order has been received and is now being processed. And this, I've customized this email so it looks in keeping with your site. The standard WooCommerce one is not particularly nice. There's just a couple of little tweaks I need to make to this. The billing address and shipping address and the footer is hidden at the moment, but I'm going to fix that. So if we now go and look at the other emails we've got, this one is the email I've received as the shop owner, and it just tells me that I've received an order from Chris Ellis and the order is as follows, and then that tells me that I now need to go and fulfill that order. The third email I got from the website is because Aries was a single item. Now that I've bought it, it's out of stock. So it just tells you it's now out of stock and that you need to create some more. So if we go into the dashboard, we go to WooCommerce and the first item here, orders. You'll also have noticed on that dashboard page, there's a handy overview of your orders and so on. So this is the latest orders. These are some of the ones that I've been testing with before. And it tells you what I've been ordered. So you can go to view, so you can view the order. Gives the customer's address, shipping details. And this area here tells you what's happened. Pretty self-explanatory, really. Now there's a number of things you can do here. Obviously you need to ship this to the customer, but once you've shipped it, you can send them a completed order message, or if you want to refund it, you can refund it there. Or if they phone you up and say, oh, I didn't want to order it really, you can cancel it there. You can send the customer an invoice. Ignore that one. You can create a new order for that customer. So, or rather, no, that's not creating a new order, that's telling them that they've just made an order. But you can, when you play around with this, you'll see how each one works. Let's try the new order, save order. And see the email that I will now have received. That's just telling me that there's been a new order. So it doesn't send anything out to the customer. That's probably not one I would particularly use. Processing order, we could send that out. And that just tells the customer your order has been received and is now being processed. That's actually sent out automatically. So as I say, cancelling the order, refunding the order, they're probably the only tasks that you would do here. So let's refund that. So there's a button here when it's paid with by Stripe. You can go to refund and you can refund via Stripe. So you can refund any amount that you wish. Let's refund the full £8. And reason for refund, customer changed mind, refund via Stripe. Okay, and that actually communicates with Stripe, and it does it from within the website, and it now tells you that it's been refunded, and you can see here your order has been fully refunded, which is a very neat thing. If they've paid by PayPal, then you would have to go into PayPal and refund it from there, which isn't a big problem, but just not as neat and tidy as this one. So I think that's a pretty good overview. One thing that we would want to do here is, I'm just now going to cancel this order. So it's completely cancelled now. Let's look at the order list. Now, if you get to a point, and hopefully you will do, when you've got a lot of orders coming in and you want to do things quickly, you can just view the order quickly, see what needs, where it needs to be sent, and you can just click on this button saying it's complete. Just do it from within here. Say you were a very busy shop and you're getting loads of orders coming in, this would be the way you do things. Yeah, I just mentioned that we would want, with that Aries product, we need to put that back in stock because the order's been cancelled. So we go to, by clicking on here, we go to the product and go to the inventory, and we can change the stock quantity to 1 and update. So sorry for the phone interruption. I think actually I've covered everything. We've just set the Aries product back to 1 from 0. So if we go to the products, and search for Aries, we'll see it's now in stock and the stock quantity is 1. So that's an overview of the Woocommerce product ordering and management system, and hope that's helpful.